we're thinking Christmas now,
I
Beth.
cruised on. I am so sorry.
Beth is afraid to decorate gifts on air. That's what it is.
I'm not afraid. I just said I'm a big fan of the holiday gift bag. No, my mom is a great present wrapper.
Well,
and
now
it
you're
looks
going to become
so
one.
nice, you know.
Oh, we're going to learn how to wrap some gifts in a way that looks complicated, but it's going to be pretty easy. So, Beth, get your small box and your small piece of paper. So we cut this so it'll fit these boxes. This is a box of candy canes, and that's a box of Christmas lights. So if we could take our overhead camera, we will show you. So I'm going to fold this corner right here. So we got a little bit of a triangle going on.
Okay.
See that there?
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to take this half, wrap it a little bit so we have room.
Okay, half.
And cover it over here. So you can see I just closed up that part. I'm going to take a piece of tape. I'm going to give you a piece of tape in a minute, Beth.
I'll need to borrow a piece of tape.
And
I
we
think mine's
will
too short.
tape it there. It's okay, you can unfold it. We don't have to fold it at all. Mine was just too long.
Okay.
Here's your tape.
Okay. Thank you.
Now that we have this, we're going to take our triangle. We're going to wrap the triangle over. And now look at this little pocket you just made.
Oopsie.
Uh-oh.
Got a corner showing.
Now we're going to wrap these like you normally do, you know, cover the top of the box. Da, 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 da. This is stressful to do on live television, so if it's a little messy, I apologize.
Well,
now we're going to...
I've already messed up. Stand by.
We lost Beth. We lost Beth.
I just folded it too much. Okay, now we're moving.
But
There
once we
go.
have this, you've got a little pocket. And what you could put
Okay.
in here, look at that little candy cane.
Oh, that's cute.
Right?
Now, tell me again on the edges. Do you fold? Because I know there's several
Just
ways
like
to
a
do
normal,
it.
like
Okay.
you would, just to, you know, get it done.
Okay.
But
now-
Beth, while you work on that
yeah,
one, I'm
don't
gonna
wait
move
on
to
me. Go
another.
ahead and move on to some other styles.
So
Thank you, Foxy. Thank you.
I'm actually probably going to show you this one. This is pretty cool. I've already pre-wrapped the box, and this is just like how you would wrap any normal box, you know, so the
Okay.
base is done. We're going to fold it down here, though, and I'm going to do, if you want to take that overhead camera again, I'm going to do a little bit of accordion-style folding here. So you can see I'm folding. We're folding it like you would fold a fan.
Oh,
Going back and forth here. Beth doesn't have this one.
good thing.
So, la la la. We're
Messed
just
that up
folding
for
it back and forth, making this back and forth folding motion.
Okay.
And then, if you would have a ribbon, you would use it here. But so I'm going to take a big piece of tape. I'm going to tape it over here. And now, watch as I open it up. Oh,
Oh, that's neat.
ta-da! And so now if you pull it back up to the front,
It's like a little fan.
look at that. It's like a little
fancy.
built-in bow. You would tape that together. All of these came from searching gift wrapping on Instagram.
Okay, I took too long, but I know there was one more. Just show it. We
Well,
don't have time
it's
to
this
wrap
one
it.
over here. We've got another folded one, and I even found a nice picture we can include
Okay.
of Beth Haynes.
God
You know,
bless.
because you can put all kinds of things in here. You could put little Beth. You could put a
I would
little
pick this present
Todd.
with
We
Todd
could
in it.
stuff cards in here. Got your little candy cane hearts.
No, I don't think so,
Beth in
Todd. All
front,
about
yeah,
you,
yeah.
buddy.
We got some options
Beth in
there.
front,
But that's, you know, you got your all built in to one gift.
I love this. Great ideas, easy to do. I know I didn't make them look that easy, but I promise you they were. Shannon, thank you. And
Yeah.
Todd, a gift with your picture
Yeah, Merry
on
Christmas, Todd.
Thank you. Definitely put Beth in front. That gift will have a
right.
lot more giving power to it. Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you, Eric.